Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2019 with Rolex, looking at the newly updated Yacht-Master collection. The Yacht-Master came out in a 42mm wide model this year, but this is the 40mm wide model. It has been updated with a new bracelet to case connection point, a tweaked case that has better edging and looks fantastic, and it now contains the in-house made 32-35 automatic movement. This watch is available in a few versions, including this model with the blue dial. Of course, as always, it has a steel case with a platinum bezel. There are two-tone versions available, and you can see all the new Yacht-Master watches on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.